Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix that domain name error or how to link domain name in Shopify. I'm currently using a Shopify free trial in here, and I'm using a GoDaddy domain builder right there. I'm currently inside a GoDaddy website. I'm not signed in, by the way, because these are going to be the premium payments. I'm just going to give you a rundown how it works. If you have your GoDaddy or other domain names ready, just put them right there. So let's get started in here. First, just open your settings. Go to settings tabs right there and you'll open this one up. Under the settings, look for the one that says domains. And under here, pretty straightforward, you're going to have two choices. Either buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. Simply paste your domain here. May it be coming from GoDaddy or may it be coming on any other generated website builder. It's going to be simple as that. Let's connect right there. For example, I'm going to connect right here. Click on next and basically just follow the format here, fill it up, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, it's an error because this is not really a domain name. This is a website. All right, but that's the idea on how to connect your domain name in Shopify. So basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.